I would never survive this one.
Just shoot him in the back. He just casually walked up.
Seriously? For a rocket launcher from any second.
Oh my god.
Any of you guys still up?
Oh, he got hit in the head, so you guys are dead, he's up.
Okay.
I mean, I could try, but you know.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna lie. I can steal a...
Oh, that's like one grenade.
That's a disable. That's a disable.
No, hit! No, hit! Hit! Do your thing, do your thing.
Okay, he's dead.
He's a fuck you.
God.
Hey guys, watch your
Hey,
leg.
it's not moving, right? I can be healed.
Everyone, you have get out. Go.
I can't. I'm already dead.
Dude, I think my gun was fucking dry.
Hey, brother, if you fall out this, you're taking me right with you.
Oh shit, my leg.
The road's gonna get really rough for the second, guys.
I gotta put my
Hey, what, you said rough?
contact.
We're good. I'm comfortable. Oh my god.
Here, see if you can get this hatch.
Full auto up there. You can full auto out of the truck.
Everyone, dismount and move to the right.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
He said to the right.
Hey, fan out this way to run this flank. To the right. To the right.
I think I don't know.
On through, slowly, let's go. One line, you can tell me to spread between each of you. Yeah. Middle, right down this way.
Okay, we're going straight down.
Aiming,
Shooting. Someone snipe that
Hold
guy.
on, I don't know what team they're on.
Those are enemies.
Don't stick together.
Hit! Medic!
It's good enough for airsoft.
Yeah, I used to run fake stuff too.
I might invest in them for real shooting, but I don't know.
I feel like amps are just kind of too expensive in my opinion.
Yeah, you're probably
Like I got these cost me $640, you know.
right. Like Swordens.
No, these are Peltors.
Yeah, those are cheaper.
Don't forget your bag though. Is this like good? Is that a real rugby or?
What?
The shirt?
Yeah. I got the one from was like.
Oh, so yeah, dude, mine's the same way. 'Cause I didn't have mine.
$60 shirt. I'm like, God damn it.
Hey, it's meant to get like that, you know?
Yeah, I know. But still.
I mean, at least you didn't put holes in fucking a $200 shirt like my dumbass. Trying to buckle my belt, fucking caught it in there. But yeah, my rugby's all frayed up from Velcro too. They're all like high left. I feel like
But that's weird being used to is how like this, like it hits everything.
the cheap load. I don't really have a problem like when I do mine.
Well, I'm
Like,
not used to a headset like this. It's like this number one.
gosh.
Usually my ears are not covered.
How much did you pay for those?
Like 150 or something.
Yeah, it's about the normal price. Oh shit! And whose iPro is this, dude?
Well, that's my spare.
I'm gonna take shit walking over here. Are you dead?
No, not yet.
Oh, sorry, dude. Sorry. Oh, this is very fucking iffy right here. I gotta see. Can I stand there? Yeah. Oh shit. Holy shit.
Okay, guys. So we're right by Mark. Their territory. We need to go take Mark. If we take Mark, that'd be pretty good. That means the rest of our guys keep on moving down the road to the city without me having to make like just market. Say market, stay in the tree line, okay? There's a lot of cover in the tree line. Tree line is dead.
Ready? All right, check. You guys on this side. You guys on this side.
About.
Contact right side. You wanna try to go this way? Who the fuck are they? I'm guessing they're like right there.
Yeah, they didn't see one moving in there.
They're too far in. We should just keep moving. We're gonna get fucking slaughtered. Hey, we gotta go fast. Ah, hit!